Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Welcome to my quick yet powerful review of this Trivisa folding knife. It's got a button lock, it has a flipper. Now this is the Dor, D-O-R, and I've been told that's a type of fish. Alright, so you can see that. Interesting knife. Trivisa is a brand that I do like. The brand is Trivisa, the model is the Dor. It is 3.66 inches in blade length, 14C28N steel, which is a Swedish Sandvik stainless steel. It is 4 millimeters thick. The hardness is 58 to 60 HRC. It is 4.55 ounces. It's got micarta handle scales. It is a button lock, and the current price is around $60. So as you can see, this has some very attractive denim micarta handle scales. I like the color on that. It's going to match some blue jeans. So you see the liners, you've got the textured spacer right there, you have a pocket clip, skeletonized a little bit. This is a button lock. Yeah, so you can, I mean, you would think it's an automatic, it's not automatic, right? It's not springing open, but it requires so little motion that you would think it's automatic. And you can also just use the flipper if you want to, right? You can use that flipper as well. Now the blade itself, very pointed. It has a partial flat grind here with a bevel there. It's got some texture on a thumb rest right there. It has a nice stonewash finish, but an attractive blade all around. And the price was very reasonable. I'll put the price in the title of this video because that can change, right? All right, let me roll in a clip, just the paper demo right out of the box, and then we'll cut just a few things. All right, hope you like that. So we got seatbelt type material right here. And it just goes through it easily. Got some bike tire tubing. There you go. Now let me just whittle on this piece of wood, just for fun. A knife like this is really just for little tasks, you know, opening a bubble mailer and so forth. But I like to encourage just knife usage in general in these reviews. I started off with tabletop like everyone does because I understand people don't have time to get out and do a whole bunch of stuff and so forth. Can you see that? A whole bunch of stuff, right? But as your channel grows, you're going to want to try to integrate more usage in demos, right? So here we are. Somebody asked if the creek is my backyard. Nah. The creek goes for miles and miles and miles, and nobody actually owns the creek, but it's a hunting and fishing area. Deer hunting, turkey hunting, trout fishing. So, yeah, because the creek, this part floods, right? So nobody's going to buy something that's underwater for half the year. But you own the creek, right? The government owns the creek on your behalf. It's public lands. Most of it. Maybe some parts of it could be owned. I don't know. It's miles and miles long. It's like 4 counties long. All right, so there you go. A little bit of whittling with this very sharp, very attractive knife. Now, if you're wondering, with that button lock, can you open this left-handed easily as well? Yes. Okay, you're just, instead of your thumb, you're going to use your pointer finger, but absolutely, I mean, it's absolutely ambidextrous. Yeah, absolutely, right? Absolutely, this is ambidextrous. Yeah, I was just attracted to the colors here as well as the blade shape and the price. That's why I got this. Right? The wind is kicking up. I don't know if that's messing up the the audio here, but real world conditions. We are where we are, and we are who we are. But I'll include a link to this. This is sold out a few times. I actually was not able to buy this on Amazon because it was sold out there. I had to buy it at just some other knife website that I got it on. So I will include some links to whatever there is currently in stock, right? If this is, or maybe Trivisa has new models, because I got this a while ago. I have like 4 or 5 other Trivisa knives. I've never gotten a lemon, right? That was of this brand. So if you want a little EDC knife that's not too expensive, right? It's not too expensive, but it's still pretty nice, right? Like you wouldn't mind getting this as a gift, right? Give this as a gift. It's a little bit longer, slightly longer than most people's little EDCs nowadays. Just showing you the flipper action. Yeah. Honestly, I would never use the flipper because the button way of opening it is just so smooth. All right, final conclusions on this Trivisa door. Well, it just checked a lot of boxes for me. The price was right, comfortable with the price, attractive, especially love the color on the micarta scales. I like the steel for this price point. It came sharp. The deployment, excellent, right? Excellent deployment. All right, so, you know, smooth pivot. I like the blade shape. So just for all those reasons, it was just a good pickup for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me some engagement if you are so inclined. I hope you're all doing well. All right, subscribe if you like videos like this. I'm out.